Hello WordPress people, welcome back to another video of Let's Learn WordPress Gutenberg blocks. So in our previous video we learned how to create a basic WordPress block with a custom setting. So first let me show you what we have done so far. So we have created a plugin. So let me show you that plugin first. So we created this plugin called BWP search, and when we go to post, let's add a new post. So we added this bold feature as well, and also we added this custom setting as well. So let's publish this. And view the post. So this is what we have done so far. And now in this video what we are going to do is we are going to actually build our search feature using this block. So again, if you are new to this video, I would suggest to start watching the playlist from the beginning. Otherwise continue watching the video. Before jumping into the code, if you are new to Gutenberg development, then I would suggest to watch or review this website called WPvoyage.com. This has very good tips and tricks regarding Gutenberg development and Gutenberg editor. So please go and check out this site. Thank you. So before jumping into the code, let me make you understand what we are going to do. So first we will create a shortcode which will display a list of posts and filters. So filters in the sense, so as we are going to build a search feature, so we will be displaying in the left bar a text field for the keyword which will search keyword from the title and description, and then categories or taxonomies based on the post type. So here we will provide an option to select post type. So whatever post type is selected, the search feature will be there for the selected post type. So first things first, let's create a shortcode. But before creating a shortcode, let me do one thing. So I'm gonna open this into the terminal, and I will create a new branch for the search feature, so that what we have done in the basic block you can check out in the main branch. So I'm gonna create git checkout b search block. So everything related to search will be in the search block. So I'm gonna start npm for the plugin. And first thing first, we don't need this styling over here. So I'm gonna open src editor css, and I will comment this. Okay, let me remove this whole CSS. This is for editor, and now let's do the same for the front part as well. So I'm gonna remove. Okay, so now let's see how it looks. Just to refresh it. I think we have to remove update. So we remove this style. Okay. Now let's refresh the page and we will add the block again. So now all the styling should be gone for the block. So let's add this. It is still there. And here, sorry, let me open the edit.js. Yes, we have provided this style over here as well, so let's remove that. And in the save.js, yes, remove this style. And let's see, let's refresh it again. Okay, so all the styling is gone. Okay, so now if I run update this, so it should just display the simple text. Now let me add one more block, which is paragraph, not paragraph, but let's say a shortcode block. And I'm gonna add my shortcode BWP search and update. Now we will be creating a shortcode for this, so I will open plugins main file, BWP search, and for the consistency I will include a new file, include plugin directory path, so this will give the current file path, and then we will create a new folder, includes, and we will add shortcode.php. So here I'm gonna add new folder, includes, and in that I'm gonna add shortcode.php. So what we see currently in the front, that it displays whatever we wrote over here because shortcode is not there. So we will be creating a shortcode which will display our output. So as of now I will just keep the simple output. So add shortcode, which is BWP search, callback. And now I'm gonna create the function. And it accepts the attribute, but let's just return this is search feature. And now if I refresh this page, let's see what happens. Okay, so it is not displaying anything. I think file is not included properly. Let's echo the path over here. Include shortcode.php. Okay, I made a mistake for the spelling. Includes. So now it will display the shortcode. So as you can see, we can see this is the search feature over here. So now what we are going to do is whenever we set any setting, as of now if we set any setting, then we will add this shortcode inside this text field. Okay, so that let me delete this first, and over here not inside this, that we will see in the next video. But what we are going to do is whenever we do any changes in the setting and update it, we will store the shortcode into the database. So let's do that. So for that I'm gonna open save.js, src save.js, and here we are storing this message. Now we don't need it. Instead we will store this shortcode. So let me add this shortcode. Okay, so now, so first let's update this and refresh this. Let's see what happens. So it is displaying nothing. Now let me refresh the page. Okay, now let's change the setting and update it. So as we made this shortcode save in the save.js, so in the database it will store this shortcode. And now if we try to refresh this, we can see the shortcode display over here. So this is the first part of this search feature. In the next video we will set the value inside this text field as well. once we update the setting. So, and in the next future videos we will start building the search form and search result. So yeah, in this video that's it. Let me revise what we have done. So we created a shortcode which will display our search form and result layout, and that shortcode we made save once we save the page. So this is the video, guys. If you have any doubt or question, please write down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video, guys.